Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Brain Skill. In today's video, we will see the data entry, data types, editing and deleting the data. Right now, I have selected a new worksheet, okay, a new workbook, and in this the A1 cell is selected. I have zoomed to the 150%, so you can view the correctly. As the our cell A1 is selected, so I can start typing the things. So I will today write up my expenses of the today. So let me write up the expenses. So now if I have finished the writing, to confirm it I can press enter or select some another cell. So I have selected some another cell. So right now you are in the writing mode, and you have, as you have written, your writing is finished, you can press enter. So it will move your selected cell to the below selected cell, okay, the expenses. So now you can, if you press the enter, you will shift to the next cell below it, okay, and using arrow keys also you can move the cells, selection of cells you can use according to your arrow keys also. So here I will write the items and here cost. Okay, so as I have been to my office, so I have taken an auto. Okay, so I will write up the auto, and it cost me around 35 rupees. And then I have some snacks which cost me around 65 rupees. Okay, and at the in lunch I were having expenses of 155 rupees. Okay, right now we are not assigning a rupee symbol or some denominator, sorry, the number after the points, okay. So right now we will see these in the later on videos, okay. So right now we are for the basic data entry options and how to edit them and delete them. So now coming back from office, I have also taken an auto from my office to home. It also cost me around 35 rupees. Okay, so if I want to add the auto again, so what can I do? If I can also delete the data, okay, the 35 rupees I can delete and rewrite the 70 rupees, okay. One auto for the morning and one auto for the evening from home to office and office to home, okay. So like that the cost for the whole day is around 70 rupees. So if you want to delete these 35 rupees, you can simply press the delete button from your keyboard. As I press the delete button, it will delete my the written content or the any written content in the cell, okay. So you can also see some delete option here also in the cells group, okay. So this delete button is for deleting the cells and columns or rows, okay. So you don't need to select any of these buttons from the ribbon tab, okay. So I have deleted the 35, okay. If I want to edit the 35, what how can I edit? Okay, if you want to edit the 35 without deleting it, so you can click on the formula bar, and you can also write the 75 or 72 or 70, anything, any random numbers, okay, as per your expenses. And if you want to edit right from the cells, you can also double click the cell. So you can write up 75, 78, 79 or 70, etc. So for a shortcut for editing or double clicking is an F2 key. Why? If you press the F2 key, you can also edit your same things like 72, 74, 75, etc. Okay, without deleting it you can edit directly, or without double clicking it you can edit by pressing the F2 key. Now I can write anything. Okay, right now if I have taken these auto for whole day. Okay, so now the content I have written, I can't see the full sentence like auto for whole day, but it's definitely there, the hidden below the column. Okay, so if I want to adjust these the whole sentence, if I want to look at the whole sentence, so what can I do? I can adjust the size of a column. Okay, this column I can resize this by hovering your mouse in between the A and B cell. You will find the double arrows and you can click, hold and drag. Okay, you can drag as much you want. Okay, you can drag more or less. Okay, and if you want that Excel should resize the column width, okay, of its own automatically, so while having the cursor over here, hovering here, you have to double click. Okay, why, if you press the double click, or you double click the here, uh, between the first A and B column, so the Excel will automatically adjust the column width to the content. Okay, as per your content it will adjust automatically. If the starting we were like here, if I want to adjust automatically, so I will hover my mouse around the A and B cells and double click the double click on the these between the A and B part. Okay, so it will adjust the thing. If I want to remove this, I can also select this and press the backspace and enter, and I will again double click on the A and B, between the A and B column. Okay, so for the resizing, automatically resizing, so I want to enter a date here. Okay, so our today's date is 29th August. So I will write 29/08/2020. Okay, as I press enter, okay, sorry, let me delete it or undo it, and let me adjust the B cell. Okay, and right now I will enter the date 29 August 2020. As I press enter, so you have seen that the B cell has been automatically adjusted. The width of the B column is automatically adjusted. Okay, Excel will adjust its of its own also in sometimes, but sometimes if it don't, so you have to manually do it. Okay, right now I will auto sum here, the auto sum here, or sum this amount to view the final amount of the expenses, today's expenses. So for these formulas we will see in the later videos. Right now I am showing you auto sum option. I will click on the auto sum option. What will it do? As I have selected the cell, above this any number value, it will select, automatically select all the number values, and I press the, as I press enter, it will sum me up the whole total of these selected numbers will be summed up. Okay, so you can see that our automatic sum is 290, and here in the status bar also you can see that the sum is 290. Okay, for today's video we have seen this, how to data enter data, edit, modify it and delete it. Okay, thank you for the today's video.